Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mates. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to do an unboxing video of a traveler's notebook that I purchased from Etsy. The store name is Handstitched Tea, I believe. I will post the link down below, but I was heavily influenced by Alice. If you don't know Alice, oh, actually, I don't know, is that her full YouTube name? I will post her information down below, but she filmed an unboxing video of a traveler's notebook for her Jibun Techo, I think it was. But anyways, I was heavily influenced by her and I had to check this Etsy store out. When I checked the Etsy store and I saw the different items that this person offered and the price was amazing, I had to get one for myself. So anyways, here it is. I just cut the sides and everything, and yeah, let's look inside. So it's packaged in a box. Oh, there's some nice padding. This is like foam padding. I've never seen that before. So there's the name, Handstitched leather tea at .etsy.com. There we go. Really cute packaging. So let me open this up. Wow, the color is really nice. Let me see if I should open my window a little bit. Hopefully the light isn't too distracting. Hopefully it's not too bright. So here it is. Wow, it's really nice. It's a really smooth and squishy leather. So there, oh, she included a business card holder. Nothing but leather stitch, hand-stitched leather tea, Etsy.com. I just want to say thank you for shopping by. That's nice. This is really nice too. I actually don't have a business card holder. I should get one for myself, but this is really nice. I could start using it. It's nice and thin, like it's not bulky. So that's a really nice touch to include that. But wow, this is really nice. I don't remember what it was that I've requested. I think I wanted like a folio style, and I've also asked for a secretarial pocket on this side. I think the one that Alice has, she has like an outer pocket where you can stuff things. But I just wanted like a simple, clean type of traveler's notebook, or I guess in this case it would be a folio, and the stitching is really nice. I've put in the comments that I wanted like a lighter color. I didn't want to have like the white contrast stitching. I wanted something that was kind of blended in, but at the same time I didn't want to have like a dark black or anything like that. So I'll try and do close-ups of the stitching. But yeah, the leather is really soft. You can see how smooth and squishy it is. It opens up flat and it doesn't, you know, curl up or anything. And it's not that heavy. I mean, I think it would be a lot less lighter if the pockets weren't there, like these, this one here and these business card pockets. And it would most likely be lighter if it was just like a traveler's notebook with the elastics in the middle. But yeah, there's the edging. You can see there, the leather isn't like too thick. And like I said, I'll try and do some close-ups later on. It's really nice. I want to see if a regular, see if this Hobonichi, maybe. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Maybe not. Oh yeah, it fits this one too. And this is nice. I'm guessing this is her logo. Right there. But the leather is, I like this color a lot. I don't know, I've got to do this no spend thing. I know I just, actually I purchased my Hobonichi just a couple days ago. and I'm just really struggling what I want to do for 2019. I know for sure I want to keep with the Jibun Techo A5 Slim, and this is what that is. This size is the A5 Slim, and that I will stick with for my work planner. But for my journaling, and I don't know. But anyways, I wanted to keep this, I wanted to do this video, like a quick video, and not ramble on too much, so I think I'm going to leave it as is. I will show you some close-ups, and yeah, feel free to take a look at her website, her Etsy shop, and like I said, the price is very, very reasonable, and I believe this was free shipping, which is crazy. But yes, the stitching is all really, really nicely done. You can see there, like the thread isn't too thin or anything. The thread is very thick, and sometimes I worry about like the, how do you say, like the connection parts, but the thread is really, really thick, so I don't feel uneasy at all. So alright, I'm gonna stop rambling. I wanted to just share with you the quick unboxing of the Traveler's Notebook / Folio from Handstitched Leather Tee on Etsy. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.